Hello folks, 018 here. This is a Ranger 2995 DX. Let's say I put a new Teflon connector, PL connector in the back of it. New channel selector, new 1969 HG, and fixed the volume control and relined it. This is for my friend Trailblazer, just a little repair review. Of course you see, there's the seam. That's right up there where it needs to be. Turn that crap off, what's it doing? Alright. Like I said, I about quit doing radios just because mainly everybody works on them. They're all chopped up, and I can't see as good as I used to either. But this radio, I thought it was interesting. I sold this thing brand new probably 10 or 15 years ago and come back around. But it's all fixed. So the channel selector works now. So that'll be good to go. Good as new. Alright. We'll go over here on the Dosey. That's all I got hooked up on the radio bench. The Dusty Dosey. So low power, all the way down. About 2 watts. On high, I think it goes up to about 40. That's my power surge protector. It's acting funky. Don't like this radio being on. That's 30. Let's see. I'll be quiet. Alright, I'm going back down. I like to run about 10 watt key, 10, 15 watt. Oh, audio, 1, 2. Hello, audio. Oh, there's your friction. There's your friction again. Hello, audio, 1, 2. That stupid plug thing's wore out. I guess it got hit by lightning or something. Or electricity just wore out and old. The radio does real good though. It's doing 200, no problem. I'll go in here and look at the B&K meter. Peak 100 watts. It's in a 100 watt position. This will hurt your feelings meter. Read the top scale. 1, 2, hello. Audio. Big difference, ain't it? Hello, audio. But turn it up a little bit. Oh, audio. That's crazy with that meter's tight. I mean tight. Well, that's a 100 watt scale. Let's see. We'll be reading the 10 there. Oh, audio. Showing 60 watts. Oh, audio. And my Dosey's tighter than a bird. Remember that. But that gives you an idea of what's going on. I appreciate you coming up here, Trailblazer. Like I said, I don't know how many more radios I'm going to do, but some of these old timers that I've always done for, I got to take care of them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend 10-018, Beavis, back quiet.